This is my first attempt at making a short movie, so please support me by subscribing to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed watching the movie as much as I've enjoyed making it, and I look forward to seeing you again on my channel. I'm really fortunate to be located just a stone's throw from the River Danube, which is, as it happens, the biggest river in Europe. So I'm ideally placed for catching and living on fish. So one of the things about us British is we don't really do river fish when it comes to eating. We've been brought up eating things like cod, haddock, plaice. Okay, we eat salmon and trout. But generally, we don't eat fish like carp and catfish and all those things, but they're actually delicious to eat. And I must say, I've eaten river fish so much since I started coming to Bulgaria. So here I am down at the River Danube. The water level's quite low today, so it'll be interesting to see how the fishing is. Okay, so what we've done is we've got a sink set up here, which is great, for preparing fish and things like that. Unfortunately, it does attract the wasps, so we've got to be really, really quick when we're preparing the fish. These fish last night were caught, as I've already told you, in the local river. Laurie, what are these fish called?
Yak pollock.
Yak pollock. Okay, the great thing about these is they don't have much scales, so they're pretty easy to clean. You just need to, they just need to be gutted and take the heads off and portion them up, and we're ready to go. Quite a tough one, this. So there we have it, fish portioned up and ready to go. So Laurie, explain to me what you're doing now.
Well, I'm frying the fish in corn flour. First of all, it needs to be salted, very well salted, and then wrapped all around with corn flour.
Corn flour, yeah?
Yeah, that's them lightly and straight into the hot.
Yeah, Bulgaria is a fantastic place for growing plants, as you can see here. We've got some chilies, red chilies. Also we have some tomatoes. We've also got a cucumber patch, as well as we've planted zucchini, as I already said, eggplants, and a whole array of different herbs.
Good morning. Здравейте.
What have you got there?
You can see some fresh pink Bulgarian tomatoes. They're called pink heart, and they're amazing, very thin skin and juicy sweet flesh.